Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to record a phone call on your iPhone. Before you can start recording calls, there's one setting you need to enable first. So follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then find and select Phone. Once you're in the phone settings, scroll all the way down to the Call section and tap Audio Call Recording. If this option is turned off, simply turn it on. Now you're ready to record a phone call. Open the phone app and make a call to the person you want to talk to. Wait until they answer the call before moving to the next step. Once the call is connected, tap the More button on the call screen. You'll see an option called Call Recording. Tap on it, and your iPhone will let everyone on the call know that the recording will begin in 3 seconds. After the countdown finishes, the call recording will start automatically, and you'll see an indicator showing that the call is being recorded. When you're done recording, simply tap Stop. Your recording will be saved automatically in the Notes app. You can open the note anytime to listen to the recording, and if it's available, you'll also see a transcript of the conversation. And that's it. That's how you can record phone calls on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.